Away from the world of fine dining and celebrity chefs, every country has its staple. The food that you may not show to the world, but that you enjoy when needing a little comfort. For the United Kingdom, that comes in the form of cottage pie and its close cousin, shepherd's pie. They are, in the world of savoury pies, very similar, but they do, of course, have key differences. Both pies are hearty and satisfying, consisting of rich, meaty filling topped with creamy mashed potatoes. They're comfort food at its finest, but the main distinction lies in the type of meat used. Cottage pie is traditionally known as a dish with minced beef. It's a beloved British staple and combines minced beef with onions, carrots, and peas, all simmered in a flavourful gravy. The topping of mashed potatoes is baked until it's golden and crispy, creating a delicious contrast to the savoury filling. Now, here's where it gets interesting and where many do get it wrong. Shepherd's pie is quite similar in preparation and appearance, but it features minced lamb as the star ingredient. The story goes that shepherd's pie was originally made by shepherds in Scotland using leftover roast lamb. Over time, it became a beloved dish throughout the United Kingdom. So, to distinguish between the two, just remember that shepherd goes with lamb. Shepherd's pie uses minced lamb, while cottage pie uses minced beef. Also remembering that these two pies may come from the same union, the United Kingdom, but not the same country. One is Scottish in origin, the other English. Both pies offer a world of versatility. You can experiment with different seasonings, vegetables, and even vegetarian alternatives like lentils or mushrooms. It's a fantastic way to get creative in the kitchen and make the most of what you have. Preparing these pies is a labour of love for many. You start by browning the minced meat with onions and garlic, then add your choice of vegetables and seasoning. A velvety gravy ties it all together. Top it with mashed potatoes and bake until it is beautifully golden and bubbling. Overall, cottage pie and shepherd's pie are more than just meals. They're a taste of tradition and, of course, one of comfort. Their humble origins and hearty flavours have made them timeless favourites on dining tables, not just in the UK, but worldwide. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of culinary history, culture, and far more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.